Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video let's talk about how to change search bar transparency and shape. So first of all, you want to open a Google application on your OnePlus 15, and now let's tap profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now select settings, and in your settings you want to go to section Customize Search Widget. So here you can see that you can adjust your themes. Additionally, you will see here a little preview where you will see how your search bar will look like. And this is our slider for the transparency. So you have to drag it to decrease transparency or increase vice versa. But about shape, I'm not sure if you have a shape option to change the shape of your search bar on your specifically OnePlus 15, because as you can see on my device I do not have that option, but you might have. So please check that, and it will be very great if you have that option to change the shape specifically. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.